Ding, ding. Ako po dayon. Hi!
Hello, bisag init guys.
Hello guys. Hi! Hi!
Anamisa.
Asa na ta?
Payag ni
Chicks!
Lars.
Malaagan.
Dito siyang kaad sa image.
Ting, 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 ting. Lawing.
Dito siyang sa image.
Hi!
Masarap siguro ka na. Nagkano.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got
Magwa ka sa pagkaon. So, ay, nagwa na video?
Ay, padayon na.
So, pag-awat mo nito. Tama batay. Ay, sorry. Pag-awat mo nito sa pagkok.
Payag ni Enards. Thank you so much for your good accommodation. 5 stars.
Wala, pwede daw lang yung pagkaon. Pero lamig.
Yeah. Actually, pang breakfast ang gi-order.
Lamig na kay. Wala man yung dito maaw. Sabi na natin dito ba?
Okay. Tcharin!
Payag ni Inards.
Goodbye, Philippines.
Banana to sila. Pictures ata diri ka dyan. Nasaan kami?
Nasa Duhali. Ching! Tuyok lang. Dali.
Mga lagan.
Lagan. Ching! Ha!
Please.
Transition na. Ngit-ngit lagi kayo.
Nosoon kami.
Nasa Duhali.
Nangabuhan.